What's going on, guys? Right here we got a 2020 Nissan Maxima. So you got to take off that mirror, this handle, this trim panel. Sometimes these handles have the wire attached to it, and if you see that, you got to take the glass off. If not, just slide it out of there. First thing you want to do is take that piece out of there. We'll take that piece out. We'll take this piece out. That's a 10mm right there, and the same over there, 10mm. Move those 10mm from out the way. Now, go ahead and take that piece out of there. Now you're going to take out the trim panel. You're going to put your flathead screwdriver up underneath it and pry it open. You use your hand and pull it off like that. Pull it off. Go ahead and pull the whole piece off. Unhook the cables. Then you're going to take this piece off right here. That's my homie over there, he just started. Good kid, man. Then you're going to take off this mirror. Those are number 10. Then you're going to hold it. Then you're going to take off the last one. Right. Pull it out. That's how you do that. That's how you take that bad boy out. Now, let's take out that handle. Take that piece out. That's a T30 right there, T30. That's what it looks like, the T30. You're going to turn it to the left. Turn it to the left. You're going to hold this piece out, just your flathead screwdriver, and pry it out of there. Need some more turn, you're going to hold it. You're going to turn it some more. Now this one has the cable attached to it. Just use your tool and take off the cable. That's the cable there, that green thing. Just use the tool and take it off. This one, you're going to pull it forward towards you. That's it. Now this one has the wire attached to it. In order to get that wire off of there, you gotta take the glass out of there. Now, we're gonna take this piece off. This one don't have the back piece to it, so you have access to the wire. Here it is, just put your hand on the inside and unplug the wire. That's how you do that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Working when checking out.